Hey, attorney Zac Bailey with the Marc Lopez Law Firm here to talk a little bit about a protective order that we handled today in Boone County. So when people think of protective orders, a lot of times they think first, it's civil, maybe I don't need an attorney. And we've discussed that in an earlier video, but you really do because the ramifications of a protective order can be so high. They also think, maybe I only need an attorney if I'm the respondent, the person whose the protective order would be against. That's also not the case. We also handle protective orders for the petitioner, the person seeking the protective order, and that's what today's hearing was. Now in today's hearing, the person seeking the protective order lived in the same neighborhood as the person they were looking for a protective order against. They were the victims of harassment, insults, unfair names being called to them and their children, just making their entire living situation miserable. So we went in, made sure that these people were able to get a protective order against their neighbor so that they can live in peace without their neighbor harassing them for no reason at all. Now, the neighbor is still going to live there, obviously. We're not going to be able to make them move, but we are going to be able to at least keep some peace in the neighborhood for everybody involved. So if something like that is happening to you, if you are the victim of any kind of harassment or violence or anything like that, and you want a protective order, we can help with that. It's different than the criminal defense that we're oftentimes known for, but it's still something that we have a lot of experience in and something that we handle quite regularly. So we can help you get a protective order and try to help the situation that you're in. If you think maybe I should get a protective order, I'm not sure if this rises to that level, give us a call and we can talk about it and go over exactly what's going on and tell you, do you have a strong enough case, in our opinion, to file for a protective order? We have no issue going over that with you and seeing if it's a situation that maybe could be benefited by having a protective order in place. So give us a call, 317-632-3642. Remember, always plead the fifth.